What's good YouTube? Welcome back sa channel, Jacob Alava. At today, ibang video to. So medyo vlog type siya because today is a special day. We're gonna be shooting with Athlene. I'm not sure I can say kung ano yung product, pero pakita ko na lang kung pwede. Pero we have a shoot today, so it's just gonna be a kind of a day in the life type of vlog para maiba naman. Okay? So, kaka-shower ko lang, brushed my teeth, fixed up, so I'm gonna get dressed. Ito yung current condition. The shoot is in an hour. So, hindi naman siya hubad na shoot. So, ito yung condition natin. Thank God. So, I'm gonna dress up in 3, 2, 1. So, this is what we're wearing. Simple lang. Black shirt, joggers, Vapor Maxes, white socks. Kasi white shoes daw kailangan. So, chill lang tayo. Then, face mask, face shield. Tapos, I'm gonna bring a water jug, bring my backpack, and prepare. Here's the backpack. Ready na, may tripod. Di natin alam kung baka kailangan natin gamitin. And we got the wallet and the water jug. Always bring water kasi in case makuha kayo. Don't forget, face mask, face shield. Update, we just got here. Dito na tayo sa parking. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring all my stuff up. Tapos let's see kung sino yung mga nakasama natin. Dami natin dala. Got tripod, the bag, and yeah, we're on our way, 3rd floor. Dun tayo mag... So guys, magka-COVID test tayo. Sakit daw. Let's get it. Do I, inhale? Do I just breathe normally?
Nag-produce na ulit sila ng content. Pero even the industry are lucky.
So we're currently shooting now, and this is the Athlene shirt I'm wearing, a large and nice joggers. I'll show you more later. So we got Jason. Hi Jason. And we got Margot and Jeff. Mukha akong nagbubuhat. Sa ibang videos ko, parang ba't ka nagtitips ng magpalaki, hindi ka nawala. May mga ibang mas stiff eh. May mga ibang mas maganda.
Don't start. Ngayon na joke.
You look big in pictures. As in warang ka. But in person, not so big. So guys, we are done. Thank you, Jeff. Shout out Jeff. Thank you. Solid work. Thank you. Sobrang solid photographer. Check him out. I'll link his socials down below. If you want to hire a photographer, you got Jeff. Collab pa tayo sa future.
Yeah. Collab tayo.
Done with the shoot, and it's a family picture. Lahat kami negative. Negative sa COVID, so it's pretty good.
That's good news.
COVID free naman eh.
COVID free.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Okay lang.
Tapos na kami. Jason here, Team Athlene. Thank you for having us sa shoot. Nice to see you again. Parang yung last time namin magkita yung shoot namin last year ko, napanood mo yung 1-week diet ko. Ginutom nila ako para kasi magbubad ako. Biglaan eh. Pero nice to see you again, Jason.
Thank you.
finally got to meet Margot. Nice to finally meet. I just said nice to
Nice,
finally.
nice to meet
Finally,
you.
after this shoot, and hopefully down the line, collab.
Maybe.
May
You
mga
guys
fans
should
ka
watch
sa-
out.
Mga fans ka sa IG
For
and
sure.
YT.
Bye.
Now on the way home, I'm still wearing the Athlene shirt. Anyway, I'll show you guys the items in detail pag uwi ko. Very nice. It's gonna be launched soon and makita nyo naman sa Athlene website and papost ko rin naman. So, finally home and just showered. Kwento ko lang sa inyo guys yung stuff na ginawa namin. Sina Jason, Eva, hi guys, Team Athlene. Nag-shoot lang sila na for their clothing line kasi naglabas sila ng joggers for men and shirts for men, performance shirts. Tapos pati yung mga women yata, if I'm not mistaken, may konting mga sports bras, shirts, and leggings. But right now I have the copy of their joggers. It's pretty nice. It says Athlene. So, yeah. Actually, yun lang yung business. They asked me if I could do the shoot. Tapos yun, since pinaano na rin na kami, pina-swab test nila kami, okay na rin, di ba? At least nalaman ko na wala akong COVID, di ba? Always a bonus. See, they have different colors. Simple lang, Athlene design. Siyempre, favorite natin, ang black and white. Kasi napaka-basic. So, ito yung white, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Different colors. We have blue, yellow, white, red, and teal. I'll show you guys how it looks kapag pagsuot na, no? Plus yung joggers, no? I'll work out in it sometime, okay? Ayun, it's nice to get to hang out with the Athlene team and I met new people today. So si Jeff, solid photographer, and si Margot. Margot is an Athlene Nutrition athlete also. So, ayun, that's it. Short and sweet video, guys. Just to take you through what usually happens sa mga photo shoot, lalo na with Athlene. Kasi before, if hindi nyo pa napanood yung video ko with Athlene din yun eh, yung 1 week diet ko. Check it out guys, kasi yun yung video ko naman. So yeah, looking forward to more projects with Athlene. And that's it guys, kung na-enjoy nyo yung video na to, please like it, share it, subscribe, and see you all in the next video.